Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating interruptions. Plug the laptop into AC power and close resource heavy apps so updates won't fail. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or, preferably, Ethernet connection. Updates can be hundreds of megabytes to several gigabytes. Next, open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. This triggers the system scan. You do this because Windows needs the current catalog and driver packs before downloading. That prevents partial installs and driver conflicts during the process. You watch the download progress and make decisions based on size and time. Large feature updates may take 20-60 minutes. Once files download, Windows stages them. This is why you may see preparing to install. It verifies packages and drivers before reboot. You should pick Restart Now when ready, or set a time to avoid interrupting your work. If a major feature update shows up and your network is unstable, use pause updates briefly. However, remember postponing increases security risk, so plan immediate installation when convenient. You let the machine reboot and perform the final configuration. This phase applies drivers and completes upgrade steps, so avoid powering off. After login, verify everything. Open Device Manager and Windows Update History to confirm successful installs and to spot any failed drivers. If an update fails or the system becomes stuck, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first, then use recovery options or safe mode if needed. These steps let you repair components or uninstall the problematic update. A single reliable restart often resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.